Good morning. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be installing something inside the truck. We're going to be doing some center console trim pieces. One of my sponsors, CHEROCAR, sent out some center console trim pieces. So if you want these trim pieces, check them out. Link in the description down below. I'm going to show you what they look like. So they're actually right here. Pretty cool. You know, nice carbon fiber. And yeah, let's go ahead and install these. Also, before we get started, if you are looking for car parts, truck parts, Speed Lab, link in the description for 20% off your purchase. Use code PM20, get 20% off. So I don't care if you use the code, get 20% off, and then go ahead and resell it later. Get 20% off an exhaust system. It's like $1,000, $200 off. Take care of that. And let's jump right into the truck. All right, so we're gonna be focusing on the center console here. There's just a couple pieces in that for now. I'm just gonna test them out, and then we're gonna be getting more later on in the week. So we'll just test these out and see how they look. So the first one, we got the, it's gonna look like that. That looks pretty cool. And we got this one, which goes here. And then, like I said, we're gonna get more later on as the week goes on. So we'll go ahead and, pretty easy. It has the 3M stripping here, and you know, pretty self-explanatory. You take just peel off the red plastic and go ahead and stick it on. And stick this on. And it fits really good. I mean, I'll give you a close-up of what it looks like, but the fit is really nice. All right, let's put this one on now, right here. All right, and last one, right here, and it's gonna go like that. All right, so this is how it looks so far with just the 3 pieces. So we have this vent, and then we have up to the CD player right here. And then we have this vent. Real quick, forgot to mention you got these right here, and they're gonna go down here and down there. All right, so got those installed real quick. Down here as well. There you go. Come across all the way down there. So yeah, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-piece set. And it's just the lighting with the sun just being ridiculous right now, but hopefully you get the gist of what it looks like. Here's a better view without the sun glare as we're driving. That looks pretty cool. And it fits really nice. Like there's some gaps, but it's nothing that is noticeable. Link in description if you guys want it. See you later. If you are looking to get, like I said, anything for your truck or car, link in description for Speed Lab. You get 20% off your order. You basically can buy something and then resell later. You get 20% off. It's a lot. It's a lot. Okay. Use that code for all trucks. You know, it's Fords, Silverados, Rams, you know, Chevrolets, you know, anything like that. They got it all. So definitely use that code link in the description down below and pin comment. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.